Blessed day, beautiful people. I am Elie and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Guys, today we will react to Kim Jong-kook collaboration with ATEEZ, 바다보러갈래. So basically it's like let's go to the beach MV. So without further ado guys, let's go.
있잖아 내가 널 사랑하나 봐 아직 말 못했지만 가슴 한켠에 담아둔 말 잠깐만 어색한 사이가 될 수 있어도 오늘만큼은 내게 말할게 바다보러 갈래 오늘 밤 괜찮아 시간 비워 아무 때나 떠나볼라니까 바람 좋고 네가 웃음 나는 못해 amigo 사슴 당긴 내 위로 그 뒤로 불편하지 않길 난 빌어 똑같이는 오늘 밤 이곳에서 내게 말해줄 거야 있잖아 내가 널 사랑하나 봐 아직 말 못했지만 가슴 한켠에 담아둔 말 어떤 마음인 거야 말할까 말까 어쩌다 바다 태워버린 거야 모래 위에 적었던 네 이름 뒤에 적었던 아무 의미 없는 그냥 정도야 그 흔한 이모티콘 진짜 널 내 품에 끌어안고 널 힘들게 하는 뭐가 됐든 웃게 해줄 거야 항상 내가 널 지켜주고 싶어 있잖아 내가 널 사랑하나 봐 아직 말 못했지만 가슴 한켠에 담아둔 말 잠깐만 어색한 사이가 될 수 있어도 오늘만큼은 내게 말할게 바다보러 갈래 오늘 밤 기다려 이 고백이 너에게 닿기를 바래 너무 기다려놨고 이제 맘을 열어줘 너 또 사실 말야 너를 사랑해 있잖아 내가 널 사랑하나 봐 아직 말 못했지만 가슴 한켠에 담아둔 말 잠깐만 어색한 사이가 될 수 있어도 오늘만큼은 내게 말할게 사랑하고 있어 매일 널
Okay guys, let's talk about this video. So I loved it. I personally really loved it. Like I love the summer vibe. I love the energy and especially this collab. And from what I heard is that Kim Jong-kook does not do always collaborations, like very rarely. and he chose ATEEZ, and I think that he chose ATEEZ for a reason. You know, ATEEZ, they are so talented. And yes guys, I also checked out their performances. I mean, on Immortal Songs, if I'm not wrong, it's a program, and basically I think that ATEEZ also won in that program. I just love how ATEEZ really put all their efforts in everything, especially in this collab. I just love the harmony of their voices. Like, it was so perfect. Like, I don't even know how to describe how I like this, guys. And also, guys, you already know that Songwa is my bias. And yes, he's a third rapper. I mean, he became a rapper. He started to rap in this song, and I was like, wait, what? Like, how dare you? No, because he is really talented, and to see him rap, it really makes me proud. Also, guys, in the beginning, we also saw the scene Yuno and Yosang, and I was like, why are they so handsome? Like, they are literally so pretty. And also, one of my favorite scenes, I mean, San and Woo Young, like, it's their shots. Like, they playing around with each other, and my heart, like, how are they so cute and lovely at the same time? Like I said, guys, I love the vibe of it. Like, the summer vibe of this song. Yes, I did not forget the maknae. I think that he did a great job, especially matching his voice with Kim Jungkook. And of course, guys, we cannot forget our trio. Yes, it's our trio. Our three rappers, Hongjun, Mingi, and Songhwa. And I was really like, oh, okay. I just love this collaboration. They did awesome. Also, the chorus and the choreo, guys. I think it's very cute. It's very doable, like for covers and stuff. And I don't know what to say, but I really want to see ATEEZ with more collaborations. Like, ATEEZ collaboration with Stray Kids maybe in the future. Oh, that would be so great. We already saw a Mayfly collaboration and it was epic. So overall, guys, I just love this song. I just love this MV. And we must do our best to stream this MV, guys. I am a new ATINY, but I am trying my best to really know more about the boys and to stay updated about the boys. So please, guys, let me know in the comments what were your first thoughts while watching this MV, this collaboration, and of course, guys, who is your bias? So guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please continue to support ATEEZ. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and like I always say, pray more, love more, Jesus more in your life. May God bless you!